Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm over the moon. Thank you for asking.
So this is an interview session. So I will ask you some questions about the newspaper. So are you ready to give the answers?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So let's get it started. So the first question is, do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read newspaper. I always prefer myself to read newspaper.
When do you read a newspaper?
Basically, I would say I read newspaper in the morning, and sometime I read newspaper at my office.
So with whom do you prefer to read a newspaper?
Well, I would say I read newspaper. Basically, I read newspaper alone. Sometime I read newspaper with my fathers in the morning, having a cup of tea.
Well, do you read newspaper online?
Yeah, I read newspaper online. When I go here and there, I read newspaper to spend my quality time. I read newspaper online from
So
online.
what kind of news do you read from a newspaper?
Actually, I'm fond of magazines, and otherwise, I want to know about Bangladesh's economical matter and business matter. So yeah, business matter, economical news.
So do you read newspaper to learn English?
Yeah, basically I'm a learner, and I would say English newspaper is much helpful for the students, and I would say it is a storehouse of knowledge. And when I read newspaper, I can achieve different type of words, different type of sentence. So it develops our reading skills, speaking skills. So yeah.
So how many newspaper are there in your country?
I would say my country has an enormous newspaper like Ittefaq, the Daily Star, and Noadiganto and Boreralo.
So which newspaper is very famous in your country and why?
Well, I would say the Daily Star news is most well-known newspaper in our country because they always provide authentic news, and they never provide fake news for that reason.
So this is the end of our session. So thanks a lot for answering these questions.
Thank you, sir, for your being patient, and thanks for calling me.